overnight. In the lower 50s. Chance of precipitation 80%.
This is how the key looks like, and you just put it on the pillar and slide it up. As you can see, the mirror unfolding. This means it's open, and you're pressing this button and it's gonna open the door and you're good to go inside. Once you get inside, it's gonna show you to put the key. After you press the brake and just slide this car forward. You slide it, and as you can see, it shows forward. If you slide backward, it's gonna be in reverse. If you press it, it's gonna be parking. So now we're gonna go forward. One thing that I like about the Cybertruck is the roof. As you can see, the roof is transparent. It's clear, you can see through it. From outside, it's just dark black. From inside, you can see the sky. And now you just tap it, and as you can see, it's in parking mode.